गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम देखने वाले हैं हाउ टू रिवर्स द वर्ड्स इन द स्ट्रिंग विच इज़ वन ऑफ पाइथन फ्रिक्वेंटली आस्क्ड प्रोग्राम। सो यहाँ हम वर्ड्स रिवर्स करने वाले हैं। सो वी रिक्वायर्ड फंक्शन विच इज़ स्प्लिट एंड जॉइन फंक्शन. So split function used to split the string into list, and we use this syntax. We pass the string, whatever the string name will take, we pass it here, and with the split function. And also I'm using join function here. So join function is used to concat the element of any iterable object. So for example, list, it used to convert the list into string with the specified separator, and we pass any separator like space, comma here, and we use this syntax separator join, and we pass the iterable, whatever the iterable name that we have taken, we'll pass it here. And also here we can take many iterables like list, tuple, string, that whole elements will get concat if we pass this into this iterable object. Now we'll see how to reverse only words in the string. We don't want to reverse the string. Here we're gonna reverse our words only. That's why we required split function. So here I'm taking one string which is Python and data science, and I want to reverse only these words. I don't want to reverse whole string. That's why I'm gonna split it. So here s2 dot, or the words, we can say the split function basically converts the string or sentence into words. So here I'm converting it into list of words, S1, and now I want to reverse that whole word. So here I'm taking one more variable which is reverse words equal to, I'm gonna reverse it, so I'll pass words, and with the slicing -1, as we seen negative slicing, it count from backward direction to forward direction. And if we see this print reverse word, we get one list with the reverse. Here we get reverse words, we don't get reverse string, and we also want reverse words in the string. So that's why here I pass slicing and we get the reverse word, but I want answer in the string, not in a list. So for that I'm using join function. As we see in join function, it convert list into string as well. So here I'll pass reverse sentence equal to join. Here I'm passing separator as a space only, dot join, and our iterable here is our reverse word, which is list that we want to convert into sentence. So here we'll get our final output, that reverse word. We get our output which is reverse words in the string. So here we get output which is science, data and Python. That here we get only words that will reverse. Suppose we just apply only a reverse string, then we got different result, that we got whole string that will be reversed, and we have seen this program in the last video. But now only we want the reverse words. So here we get all reverse words. And also now we'll see how to reverse words in the string without changing their index, which means अगर यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं तो हमें we get a reverse word, but that word index had changed. Like science, here the last index, science word is in last index, and here we get in the first index. So here we can say, here we got a change index, but now we want to reverse the words without changing their index. It's also one of frequently asked question. So here I'm using list comprehension. So let's have a quick review. What is a list comprehension? So it's allowed to create a new list by applying the expression to each item and existing iterables. It helps us to create new list by applying the expression on each elements in the iterable, which means iterables can be list, tuple, set, or the string, and it also provide option for filtering the element based on the condition, which means we can pass the if condition in that list comprehension. So let's see what's the syntax for it. We can pass the list name that we want, and equal to, here we pass expression, whatever the operation we want to perform on that elements in the iterable. So here we pass expression using for loop. So for item, so item which is nothing but a variable that representing the each element in the iterables. In iterable, here we can pass any iterable, like here we seen list, tuple, set, and if condition. Condition is optional. If we want to filter something from that our iterable, then we can use condition, otherwise we can use only for loop. So here, as we seen, expression is evaluate for each item, or the whatever the condition we can pass here, and item is here we pass as a variable name, so it will iterate throughout the iterable. And iterable is a existing iterable, which is string, list, or the tuple, whatever we want. And condition is optional, as we seen, for filtering the particular item. Now we see how we can get the reverse word without changing their index. So for that, here I'm taking one string, here also I'm taking Python and data science. And here also we don't want a reverse string, we want to reverse word. So for that we have to split our string into words. So here I'm splitting our string, words equal to s1 dot split, and now we use list comprehension. As we seen, list comprehension is used to create new list by applying the expression on each element in that list. So here we get a list of whole words that in our string. Now here we want reverse word without changing their index. So for that we use a list compression and create new list, which is reverse words equal to, and we here we stored our reverse words in this list. So I want reverse words, that's why I'll pass the whatever the expression words. Here we write expression, which is I want that words in reverse order. So I'm passing slice here, slicing here, and for these words we take a words as expression. So for that we take a word as a variable name, word in these words, because here we have a list which is words that present in our string. And what will it do, ये रिवर्स करेगा जो भी हम वर्ड्स में जितने भी वही इस वर्ड्स में हमने जो भी स्टोर किया है ये रिवर्स करेगा. एंड व्हेन यू पास दिस एक्सप्रेशन हियर we make sure the whatever the variable name that we have taken this, we have to write our expression with that variable name. So here we write word and we want to reverse it. And now we'll see how we get our reverse words. Here we get reverse word without changing their index, and now we'll just join it because we want reverse words in the string without changing it. We want reverse sentence, so we use a join function, and I'm just taking space as a separator and join function, and we pass our iterable, which is reverse words. So reverse words and print reverse sentence. Here we get the sentence. Now we can see the difference between only reverse words and reverse words without changing index. Here we just reverse the words, so we got the reverse word, but here index will get changed. So, and now here we get reverse word without changing in the index. Here we just reverse word but index as it is. So this is all about how we can reverse the words in the string and how we can reverse the word in the string without changing their index. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos. Till then, bye bye, stay tuned.